In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the left side of your screen, or if your device is rotated, at the top. After launching your app, click on those three dots at the top of it. Now select Split View from the pop-up and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To resize your apps, you can hold this line in the middle and drag it. If you wish to go back from this view, you can either hold the same line and drag it all the way to the right or to the left, then hit Home button, or you can simply access background apps like that and swipe them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!